On April 12th, 2022, there was a good possibility of severe thunderstorms capable of very large hail and strong tornadoes forecast for portions of Iowa.
Oh, it's
trying
trying so hard. Some rapid rotation.
Wait, no, tornado! That's a big tornado.
Wow. Big.
Oh!
Holy cow!
Let's go! At 12:59 a.m., the Storm Prediction Center released their first outlook for that day, highlighting an enhanced risk area with a 10% hatched area for tornadoes. By 8:11 a.m., the SPC then upgraded the area to a moderate risk, level 4 out of 5, with now a 15% hatched area, indicative of strong tornadoes. So I just want to quickly go over the Storm Prediction Center outlooks and discuss how those are. So first you have the general thunderstorm, next is the marginal, then it goes slight, then it goes enhanced, then it goes moderate, and then it goes high risk. So obviously the higher you get, the higher the threat level, and the more dangerous these storms could be, and the more potential impacts there could be. So for example, on high risk, there's going to be much more storms, and the tornado risk is going to be much higher, as well as the wind and hail. And moderate, it's going to be a notch a little bit lower. So yeah, those are how the Storm Prediction Center categorizes the outlooks. So once again for this day, it was a level 4 out of 5, moderate risk. By 11:29 a.m., the moderate risk was still forecasted, with the 15% hatched area only being expanded more westward. However, I had my own concerns about the cloud cover and temperatures on this day. By almost noon, there was still a lot of cloud cover and temperatures were only about 60 degrees. So the reason why I was so concerned with clouds this day and the temperatures is because if you have a bunch of morning convection on the day of a setup, it's going to limit the destabilization that occurs during the daytime heating. So on severe weather setup days, you want that daytime heating to happen in order for storms to happen later on. One common misconception that I will say is a lot of people think, oh, it's sunny at noon on what's supposed to be a severe weather day. That means that storms are not going to happen. No, that is totally false. That just means the atmosphere is getting primed up, it's getting heated, it's getting destabilized for those severe storms later on. So in order for severe storms to happen, they need that destabilization and those warmer temperatures and everything. On this day, that cloud cover had really concerned me. It still hadn't cleared out by like 1, 2 o'clock, and so I was really starting to get concerned, but as you'll see here in a little bit, it didn't matter for this day. It still was able to clear enough time and have enough daytime heating. But by 2:48 p.m., the first mesoscale discussion was out for portions of northeast Nebraska, southwest South Dakota, and northwest Iowa. The mesoscale discussion indicated cumulus were increasing along the dry line and across the warm sector. By 2:50 p.m., the SPC update forecast remained on track, with the latest surface observations and visible satellite showing the warm front lifting north across Iowa. At 3:35 p.m., a tornado watch was issued. My chase began with my girlfriend right after I got off work at 3:30. We left Ames, Iowa, got some food, then headed towards Webster City. At around 5 p.m., we arrived at the gas station southwest of Webster City. At the time, a severe warning thunderstorm was issued around 5 p.m. Here is the radar reflectivity at about 4:56 p.m. At about 5:46 p.m., the severe thunderstorm warning was continued. Here's what radar looked like around 5:49 p.m. We made the decision to drive more towards Fort Dodge, then further north and west from there. At around 5:59 p.m., the first tornado warning of the day was issued. Here's what radar reflectivity looked like at 5:56 p.m. And here's what rotation looked like on radar at 5:56 p.m. As you can see, where the green meets the red is where rotation was increasing. We arrived at the black circled location around 6:10 p.m. By this time, the storm was starting to hook up more and rotation was increasing as well. Here is our video from 6:15 p.m. showing the wall cloud really starting to wrap around and get developed, dropping a tornado minutes later. Massive RFP feeding into it. It is trying so hard. I think that's a little funnel trying. Yeah, left side. By 6:20 p.m., the tornado was still in progress. Here is what rotation looked like on radar at 6:20. The yellow circle is where the rotation and tornado is on radar. The black line is the official tornado track from the National Weather Service Des Moines. By 6:23, another tornado warning got issued with a tornado confirmed and tornado damage considerable tags. Enjoy some footage I got of the tornado.
I just hope we don't get... Here, I got you.
Let's go!
Wow.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto 600.
Siri, shut up!
Wow.
Babe.
Beautiful
Are
cone.
you kidding? It's so close to that farm.
It's behind it, it's behind it.
Oh, look at that rotation on that.
Oh yeah.
It's still going.
One last thing I would like to show before wrapping this video up is satellite images with the warnings overlaid on top of them. It's a really cool animation where you can see what the storm actually looks like on satellite, as well as have the warning overlaid on top of it. To wrap this up, first, my dog Bolt is laying and wants to say hi as well, even though he's kind of sleeping right now. Anyways, I just want to give a huge thank you to Jackson Bear and Joseph Patton from Twitter for providing me with the satellite images used during this presentation. Appreciate it so much. You guys really helped make this video possible. And finally, let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I might make more of these. It's definitely different than my normal type of just adding my chase footage after chases and stuff. But I really enjoyed doing this, so I might do more of these on my own in the future. Please let me know what you think of these and if I should do more of these. Also, I'm thinking of releasing raw, uncut, unedited footage from previous chases, such as like the Selden, Kansas tornado chase where I got a tornado, the Iowa chase, uploading full versions of that. Let me know if you're interested in that as well. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.